What's up, good people? This is James Bar Judah from Shed Some Light, and I just want to let you guys know, hey, we got some merchandise. Check it out. I have my shirt on, Shed Some Light, and on the reverse, it's a picture of a light bulb with a brain in it. I thought that was excellent design myself. Let's go ahead and check out the website. So this is Bar Judah Outlet. We have Gators, we have face masks, we even have stickers. We have coffee mugs for you coffee drinkers. We have for my wife's show, From the Heart. She also has the same things, and these are all limited collections. If you would like, going ahead and visit that website today, teespring.com/stores/Bar Judah Outlet. I greatly appreciate it. You guys have an awesome day. Peace.